minds. A few hours back, I spoke about a miracle worker, and yesterday she checked my aura, my chakras rather, and found everything negative in it. Okay, and today I want to say with a lot of excitement that this is some new discovery for me, because I'm not so much into Vastu or the various other remedies, and I take it this way that we have varied viewership, okay, and everybody wants to learn new things. So please help me welcome Suman Koleji from Delhi. Suman ji, welcome to Saptarishis Astrology channel. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine.
सुमन जी, ये आप एग्जैक्टली क्या करते हैं? आप एस्ट्रोलॉजी भी करते हैं, न्यूमरोलॉजी भी करते हैं, you're a master of all, but which is that one वास्तु आप करते
Yes,
हैं?
and now the last year I learned, I did Geo Professional. It's first I did Geo Basic. It was a very basic course. Then I did Geo Professional.
अच्छा.
But I think it's really changed my life.
Okay, that's
Yes.
your calling.
Yeah.
That's your calling.
Yes.
So सुमन जी, ये आप बताइए, please tell us कि what exactly is this geopathic stress? I've heard that before, but you seem to have something different with you. I mean, if you can show it to the audience, ये देख के थोड़ा मुझे डर लगा
Yeah,
था.
this is a UTS scanner, Universal Thermal Scanner.
Universal Thermal Scanner.
Yeah, it
Okay.
has electromagnetic waves.
Okay.
Yeah, it check the geopathic level. Geo means like earth. Stress behind
Beneath the earth.
Yeah,
Beneath the earth.
beneath
तो
the
ये
earth.
वास्तु में बहुत काम में आता है. It will be very helpful for vastu.
Yeah, first we do before this, I always do vastu for buildings and all. But I think it matters only 20% because all buildings are based on earth. And most of the vastu consultant, they don't even do the remedy of earth. Remedy of ground.
Yeah,
only they do building like this direction is good, this is bad, this is okay.
Yeah.
Now we
मीन्स आप मैं इसको थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहता हूँ. सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू. कि आप बोल रहे हो कि वी आर मोस्ट वास्तु प्रोफेशनल्स.
Yes.
सिर्फ डायरेक्शन देख लिया.
Yeah.
दे ओनली सी द डायरेक्शन. Where are the cuts?
Yes,
They
yes.
then give the
extension
remedy.
and
So
this
you,
and
you
that.
you feel that was giving you
Only
20-30%
No,
result.
only 20%.
20%
Yes,
result.
80% it comes from ground.
Yeah, because
where the building.
your building is on the ground.
Yes.
Is on the earth.
Yeah.
So you feel the remedy of the earth where somebody is staying
Yes.
is more important.
Yes, it is more
And
important
in
than
the
the vastu of building. After that,
Okay.
when we do remedy on the earth, then we check the direction and all.
Okay.
First we check the this is the aura scanner. Like first we check the geopathic stress.
Okay.
Like this is a we take sample of water from dead house where we go visit.
Oh.
So we don't drink water from dead house.
Okay.
Because we have taken the sample of the water. Just I have put my machine. Like where it is right, then it goes straight. Where it is defect on the earth, it will open.
Oh.
Yes.
So this part is a
Yes.
problem.
Yeah. This part.
हम
is
जहाँ
the
पे
problem.
खड़े थे वहाँ पे
Yes,
problem
वहाँ
नहीं
पे
है.
नहीं था. Yes.
अच्छा, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया.
Like. Every time when I will go there, it will open.
It will. अच्छा,
Yes.
तो ये आप manipulate. Sorry, मैं
No.
स्कूल के बात
Yeah,
करता हूँ. ये आप ऑटोमेटिक हो रहा है?
Yes, because
or
I
you're
only,
manipulating.
No. I only hold this. This is a handle.
Can
I have no hold on this rod.
अच्छा. Can I test you further? अगर मैं इसको करूँगा तो मुझे भी ऐसा रिजल्ट आएगा?
No.
वो मेरे को ट्रेनिंग नहीं है.
Yes, because this is not a toy.
Yeah, because I don't have a training.
Yeah.
Okay.
क्योंकि
So you've taken training for this?
Yes, minimum 1 month.
Oh.
We did practice for minimum 1 month for 2 hours.
Okay.
1 hour morning, 1 hour evening.
Okay.
लोग क्या करते हैं, जाते हैं, सीखा, घर में रख दिया इसको, उसके बाद किसी के घर का भी वास्तु करने चले जाते हैं. उसको प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं करते हैं और वहीं जाके हम वापस जाते हैं, चेक करते हैं कि लाइंस आ रही हैं, सब कुछ आ रहा है. क्योंकि 1 month लगता है इसको जस्ट फुल ट्रेनिंग के लिए.
Viewers, let me tell you, many of you decide to watch a video after 5 minutes. Either you stop it or this thing. But something great is going to come out, okay? Something great is going to come out. And what I want you to do, just answer that call, okay? What I want you to do is see the miracle that's going to come after some time. because she's going to show you a miracle. I know what she's going to do. Okay. So ये जो process है, अभी ये आपके पास जो इतने सारे ये है.
Yes, these are samples.
Samples.
Yes.
Okay. And what exactly is that?
Actually, the main thing कि जो first मैंने बताया कि जो हमने basic किया उसमें इतना ज़्यादा knowledge नहीं. Then I did professional.
Okay.
Then I got all this. Basic में only थोड़े से sample हैं क्योंकि इतना knowledge नहीं
And you were telling me it's a very costly course also.
Yes.
कितना, if I may ask?
1 lakh, 2 lakh.
Oh my God.
Masters is 2 lakh 5,000.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So all that you've done?
Yes. Yeah, professional and all. And this is a Geo.
Okay.
जो
That's
हमने
what you.
check किया. After that we will check the IR, infrared radiations. ये भी नीचे होती हैं जो पता नहीं होता. Like जहाँ पे lines आ रही हैं, एक line सीधी ऐसे आ रही है, जमीन के नीचे एक लाइन ऐसे आ रही है, दूसरी उसको पैरेलल ऐसे काट रही है, जहाँ पर वो नोडल पॉइंट बनता है. If you lie on there, your bed is on that nodal point, then you will get ill. You will get sick 100%. और वो जहाँ पर आपका नोडल पॉइंट है, लाइक हम जाते हैं किसी के घर में, हम उनको पूछते नहीं आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है. हमें नोडल पॉइंट मिला, पता लग गया, बेड लगा हुआ है, पूछते हैं यहाँ कौन सो रहा है, कहते हैं मेरी वाइफ सो रही है. ओके, नोडल पॉइंट कहाँ आया? यहाँ पेट के पास. उनको पूछते हैं कि कोई इनको कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई गायनी प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, जैस इनका यूट्रस रिमूव है.
Oh my God.
क्यों? क्योंकि वो नोडल पॉइंट पे जहाँ पे सो रही है वहाँ पर उसका बेड सिर्फ मूव करवाने से ही चेंज होगा.
Yes. So I'll just recap this. मैं इसको recap करता हूँ. She's telling about the infrared thing that she uses, okay, where the nodal points are tested, and many a time she's found out that people who are sick, okay, from a very long time,
Yes.
okay, in those houses where she's gone, okay, she checks that there is a bed over there, and on that bed, for example, say if wife is there, and she just checks if the nodal point is afflicted, then she says,
In
does
the
that lower part
yeah.
or something, is there a problem? And she's had many cases where people have said the uterus is removed
Yes.
or something like
Yeah.
that. Okay, let me also tell you, yesterday you predicted, okay, she did predictions just by scanning my different chakras, okay, which area of my current house has a problem. Can you demonstrate that? I've demonstrated.
Yeah, actually we do aura scanning by UTS scanner. This scanner we use, we do aura scanning, like 7 chakras.
आप ऑडियंस को बताइए कैसा आप करेंगे मेरे ऊपर.
Yeah, there are 7 chakras. सब इसका all
Correct,
know,
correct,
all
correct.
know there are 7 chakras. The first I will check the root chakra.
Be prepared to see problems.
Now I put the sample root chakra in.
Yeah, see,
Yes,
it's written root. Yeah, it's written root.
Root chakra. Then I will scan. This is the lower part. Now.
This is problem.
Yes.
If it is
ये
going
जितना-
like this,
right, yeah.
it's a
जितना
problem.
open होगा उतना problem है.
अच्छा.
If it doesn't open, it goes on this side. Like
Okay.
difficult to me handle on this leg.
हाँ.
So then you have no problem. Then your root chakra is okay.
Okay. So
But now
again,
it's
root
showing.
chakra में.
Yeah. Now it's showing problem in your root
So
chakra.
what is your prediction?
First of all, there is a in your house southwest problem.
100%. Correct. 100%.
Root chakra जो है, like we do vastu for a man, not for the house. जहाँ पर आप सो रहे हैं, जहाँ पर आप रह रहे हैं, वहाँ पर अगर उस डायरेक्शन में पर्टिकुलर अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो वो आपकी बॉडी में आएगी.
अच्छा.
हाँ. और अगर आप उसको जगह को मूव करते हैं, आपका प्रॉपर नॉर्थ वेस्ट साउथ वेस्ट ऑल आर राइट, आपका ऑटोमेटिकली बॉडी सही हो जाएगी.
Okay.
और उससे पता चलता है कि लाइक आपकी बॉडी कितना सफ़र कर रही है. इट मीन्स कौन सा जो है डायरेक्शन आपके घर में इफेक्टेड है.
What she's telling is कि if there is a problem in the vastu of the house, a particular direction has a problem, that thing will get imbibed in my body, in my
Yes.
chakras. It will come. So when she's scanning the chakra, that is how she could predict root chakra, there is a
Yeah.
problem. She said southwest, there is a problem. Correct?
Yeah, or your lower part.
Lower part.
Yes.
Okay.
Even constipation or any kind of fear.
Sure.
Fear, any kind. And even कि like financial, like सोचना कि मैं इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा कर पाऊँ.
She's 100% right that about me.
ये नहीं कि जरूरी उसको फाइनेंशियली होगी, मीन्स ऑल द टाइम उसका माइंड जो है वर्क करता है कि कुछ ना कुछ कैसे कुछ भी चल रहा है.
I'm scared of her now. Okay. First, let me tell you what all predictions that her analysis are correct. First, I think 24 hours. And at any given point of time, I'm so addicted to thinking कि मैं दो चीज एक साथ सोच रहा हूँ. I think two things at the same time. That's
No,
one.
that my scanner will tell. This is only root chakra.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
only root chakra. Fear, yes, I have a lot of fears. Okay. And recently it has developed a bit more.
Yeah.
Recently थोड़ा
Means
ज़्यादा
वो
हो गया.
fear like किसी तरह का भी any kind of fear
Fear.
like health problem, financial problem, family problem, any kind of fear.
Okay, वो भी है. Then she said lower chakra and she said lower part like constipation, this, that,
Yes.
etc. I've been having stomach issues for the last 6 months. Okay, major stomach issues. Okay, 6 महीने से
Like
जा
that
रहे हैं.
Manipura. Like
अच्छा.
yeah.
लेकिन
Sonal.
ये part अभी urinary bladder.
No.
ये
This
part
is
पे आएगा.
हाँ, उस like constipation.
नहीं
and
urine का
then,
problem, urine का problem.
Sacral.
वो sacral.
Yes.
Urinary bladder भी
Yes,
sacral.
yes. All sexual private parts on sacral.
That is a second
yes,
chakra.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
उसको टेस्ट करेंगे.
Now this is sacral sample of sacral chakra. Yeah. It
Again,
opens
problem.
100%.
Problem.
Yeah.
Problem.
Problem.
Okay. So that
Yeah.
means मेरा जो sexual parts, urinary parts,
like
वो
it
सब.
has
Okay.
it has problem or your northeast in your house
हाँ.
gets affected.
अच्छा. Incidentally, I shifted to a house जिसका northeast entrance है. New house I shifted.
Okay.
It has northeast entrance
Okay.
door in the northeast segment.
Segment.
Okay.
Yes.
And तब से problems चालू.
Yes.
My life.
Yeah, northeast entrance वास्तु वाले बोलते हैं like they said कि it is a very good entrance but we don't consider exact proper northeast. The means cardinal direction like northeast, southwest, southeast and northwest. यहाँ पर कभी भी door नहीं होना चाहिए. It will create problems.
Can you repeat that? The door of the house
Yeah,
should
the
not
door
be in.
of the house like it should be on the main direction like north, east, south and west. But it should not be on the cardinal direction.
That is northwest,
The west,
northeast, northwest,
southeast and southwest.
southeast.
It will 100% create problem.
Sure.
Even there should not be bathroom on the cardinal direction.
Oh.
Yes, because these are the very soft corners.
ये तो मेरे को किसी ने बताया. That's good. So you know what has happened is why I want to say she's right in this sacral chakra.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as I shifted to this house, okay, that was last year, April, I think so. By August, I was operated twice in a span of 2 days. Okay. On my urinary bladder, okay, a tumor had developed. It had become pretty big, and I was still not ready for the operation. Okay, it was only Dr. K.S. Charak who insisted that I get operated instantly, and I then did it. Okay, and that was August 8th. I remember. I think so. I was fighting for my life. I would have died. Okay, but God's grace, temple bell ringing,
Yeah.
and the well wishers. We have few good well wishers. Okay, I got saved. So you're right.
Means this problem diagnosed after shifting this home.
It was diagnosed 2 years back, okay, but it was very
slow,
small,
Yes.
very small, like a layer.
Okay.
And then I thought, oh my God,
Yeah.
why should I had already
you-
spent
you
some
didn't
25,000,
bother.
25,000 in
Okay.
getting some tests done.
Okay.
So I said, oh, forget it, ठीक हो जाएगा. You know that kind of thing. Then you're too busy with the
Right.
magazine.
But now you came on the same zone, northeast open, and then उसने increase होना
Increase.
चाहिए.
It brought it
Yes,
out.
yes,
It brought
yeah.
it out. So she's right. This sacral chakra is very heavily afflicted, and even after the operation, still there is a problem. But I'm not getting the time to go to the doctor. He asked me to do a test. It took me 3 months, 4 months to do that, and still I'm not gone and taken the test report. It's now another 5 months or 4 months, something like that. I've still not gone and done that. But anyway, let's go to the next chakra
Now,
because
this
I'll
is
give you
the-
validity of her techniques.
Now this is the third one, solar plexus.
Solar.
Now I will put the sample solar plexus. This is 55, 60.
Percent.
Yeah.
Okay.
It
Either
means like you have some gastric problems.
gastric, solid problem.
Yes.
Solid problem.
Yeah.
Ah.
Because and maybe digestion problem
Yeah.
and
Acidity.
gastric acidity,
Acidity.
and all.
Terrible acidity.
Yeah, and it will create the problem in your house in southeast. Maybe there is a washroom.
Kitchen comes in
Exact.
that corner.
एग्जैक्ट जहाँ पे नॉर्थ ईस्ट का एंट्रेंस है आपका, उसके बिल्कुल सामने जाके साउथ ईस्ट आएगा.
हाँ बराबर. उधर ना किचन
पानी
का आता
होगा
है.
जरूर
वो
साथ.
प्रॉब्लम क्या आता है, कोई कुक टिकता ही नहीं उधर.
ओके.
No cook. You know the cook that comes in the house morning evening. Okay. Thanks. Right back.
लाइक कुछ उधर वाटर का कुछ भी
वो
होगा.
पानी का तो है
पानी का
उधर.
तो वो है, क्योंकि वही गैस जो करी है, लाइक इट इज अग्नि
अरे,
कौन.
मेरे को एक चीज समझ में आया. You're 100% right.
हाँ.
I know what I keep over there. Okay, I got to remove that. Okay. I can tell it on camera.
Yes,
but yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
तो it will then less.
Less.
Yeah.
Okay. You're 100% right. You're right.
Now heart chakra.
Heart chakra. Please tell me my heart chakra is nice and pure.
It's 50% open.
हाँ? कल तो बहुत खराब था, आज अच्छा हो गया.
नहीं 50 था.
कल 50
Yes,
था? हाँ?
yes.
तो अभी भी दिल है मेरे
50
पास.
है.
दिल है.
Like, हाँ, क्योंकि लाइक ये है कोलेस्ट्रॉल है या लाइक सांस चढ़ना जैसा है, बट ये नहीं है कि आपको एकदम इमरजेंसी है कि आपको हम बोलेंगे कि नहीं आप अपना एंजियोग्राफी करवाएं या नहीं. अगर इफ इट इज अ मोर देन 80%, then I recommend you then go to
Go and
doctor. Yeah, check. Yeah.
मेरा दिल अच्छा है क्या? हाँ? Well,
But
right.
it is 50%, not very good. 50-50. 50-50.
नहीं, my heart might be a problem, लेकिन दिल might be good.
Yeah.
तो बच्चा है.
Now this is for lungs.
Thanks. That's my problem.
Lungs, this is 70%.
Bad.
Yeah, bad. Because
क्या
No, you guys know I am a smoker and a chronic smoker. 4-5
Yeah.
packets a day.
I think then you should less
क्या करूँ?
and
Reduce होता ही नहीं, कितना try
and
करूँ?
even कि you should go for lungs test.
नहीं, वो तो टेंशन आ जाएगा. वो
नहीं
टेस्ट
नहीं
करने
नहीं,
के
I
बाद
think you
टेंशन
must
आएगा.
go.
हाँ?
Must go.
नहीं, you know what happens? They have a breath analysis. क्या something एक 2-4 घंटे का टेस्ट होता है उनका लंग्स का. Okay? I perform better in that.
अच्छा वो
हाँ.
मार के जो करा.
वो लोग पूछते हैं हम इतना स्मोक करते हैं and कैसे, but I perform better. Yeah, but I started Kapalabhati, you know, it's
Right.
giving me.
क्योंकि हार्ट 50% आ रहा है. इफ हार्ट 100% होता तो वो बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम करता लंग्स में.
I mean, my lungs could have also improved because I started cycling every morning 5:30. 2 months.
This is a throat chakra. It's again 100%. Like congestion and smoke and.
And I talk too much. 6-7 hours sometimes I just stretch on the phone. And of course smoking तो.
Yeah,
you know,
smoking and congestion.
और काफी रवीना अमोल तुम लोगों को गाली भी देता हूँ मैं, हाँ? राज कितना गाली देता हूँ. These are my office guys.
This
Always
is the-
screwing up on the orders, book orders.
Third eye chakra. Yeah, this is what this.
Because I don't have to cross. No?
Yeah.
I understand right now.
This is very good. It means your
ये
intuitions
अच्छा
are,
है.
yeah, your intuitions are good.
ये अच्छा है.
ये एक ही अच्छा है मेरे को लगता है. Okay, my third eye, as per her, is not damaged.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it means your intuition level is good.
Guys, I don't do any mantras. Okay, nothing I do. No sadhana.
Even this is
nothing.
for the hearing and eyes means ज़्यादा कोई ऐसा problem नहीं होगा.
लेकिन my eyes have become weak in the last 6 months. You know.
हाँ, means like it's not a very big problem.
हाँ, नहीं, but so one degree,
Yes,
one
yes.
क्या number क्या
Yeah.
बोलते हैं? 1 ना ऐसे कैसे बोलते हैं?
No, it's a crown chakra.
Please help me.
It's again more than 100%. It
What
is
is the
related
result?
to mind.
Mind.
Like the same time your mind thinks 2 or 3 times like this, either this, I will do this or this or this. In the all time it works. Even it never stops while you're sleeping.
Or that is the. This is a prediction. I'll tell you what. I sleep at 1:30 or 2 o'clock. Okay. Now that's been the traditional thing. and I get up by 5:30 or 5 o'clock. Okay, so by 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock I'll sleep. 1.5 hours in bed. I'm thinking,
Same time
thinking.
your mind
This work, that
still
work.
working that time.
नहीं, I know I'm awake. लेकिन मैं बेड पे हूँ. I know I'm awake.
Okay.
Everyday affair. I'm on the bed. I know I'm awake. I'm fidgeting from here to there. Okay. I'll look at my child or this whatever. But I'm thinking, worrying. पागल हो जाता हूँ. I go mad. So this
Actually,
is
your-
the problem.
Yeah, this is the problem. Because
Yesterday she told me that yesterday when she did it, because we are re-recording वो पहले का बराबर. She told me this is normally you find in
Yeah.
cases of depression.
Depression. Because if it opens 100% or the 80 to 8, more than 80%, then we mainly we tell that please go to psychiatrist.
But then I need one. It's okay. It's okay. I am in depression.
Like, please
वो
don't
भी-
mind.
नहीं,
Like,
नहीं, it's okay. ये जब से मैं अप्रैल में इधर शिफ्ट नहीं, it's a fact. I need a psychiatrist. Okay.
क्यों?
Because I am in the utter depression.
पर ना सोए रहते हो ना जागे रहते हो.
I'm in utter depression. का
but,
business
but
problems.
don't worry because all I think one chakra is okay, third eye,
Third eye.
and the heart is 50%.
50%.
Okay, and the rest 5.5 like. But we will do remedy for this.
Can you suggest the simplest? So change करने के. Okay, memory. चल ठीक है change कर. ठीक है मैं. So now what's the remedy? I mean, simple remedy,
Yeah,
good
sometimes
remedy.
actually we give pendants.
Pendants.
Yeah, put in the neck.
Okay.
Like, and sometimes we give bracelet, and sometimes we give oil.
Oil.
Yeah, but you need oil, aroma oil first, and then first of all, because all chakras are imbalanced. So first of all, I will give you this 9. This is a bracelet for 7 chakras.
Okay.
It will heal.
Heal.
Yes.
Okay.
You
And it
wear
is
this.
made up of, if I can ask you, कैसे बना है? किसने means?
Yeah,
किस
there
चीज़
are
का
the
बना है?
9 stone. This is for the root chakra. This is for sacral. This is solar plexus, heart, throat, and crown. These all are third eye and crown.
Okay.
These are the 7 which
Stones.
will protect. Yeah, which will protect.
And balance.
Balance.
My chakras.
But only 10 to 20% means और damage नहीं होगा.
अच्छा ये डैमेज होने से बचाएगा.
Yes, yes.
लेकिन हील करेगा.
Heal करेगा aroma oil.
अच्छा.
Yes.
ये 10-20%.
उसको आपको डैमेज नहीं करेगा, इससे ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जाएंगे, इसको वो स्टॉप करके उसको धीरे धीरे उसको इट विल टेक टाइम.
ओके. लेकिन 100% ये नहीं कर सकता.
100% नहीं कर सकता
वो
है.
oil कर सकता
Yes.
है.
इसको अगर आप 2-3 मंथ्स पहन लेते हैं तो ये होपफुली ये 30-40% ठीक हो जाए.
और मैं अगर 1 साल पहनूं तो?
1 साल
नहीं मैं ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूं.
नहीं, उससे पहले ये है कि आपको अरोमा ऑयल के साथ
अच्छा,
में
because
hair
that is-
treatment
because
करवाना.
my status is very bad.
हाँ, the main problem is 100% hair, root chakra, so all are 100%.
मैं पागल तो
Means maximum. No, no.
नहीं, मेरे को
नहीं।
बाहर बोल सकते हो. पागल तो नहीं
नहीं,
होगे.
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. तो आपके लिए हम अरोमा ऑयल जो है प्रिपेयर करके देंगे जो इसी पे होता है. इवन इट वी गॉट अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स.
But you were telling me yesterday that you have to test it on 35.
Yes.
This
Yes,
thing,
there is
on the saliva.
there is a big kit of aroma oil.
Okay.
There is the 35 oil. Like 7 chakras, each have 5 oil.
Okay.
35 oil. Even we have to check like minimum 70 to 80 times. Like one again one. जिस पर ये last में.
Every time
Yes,
you take
yes.
that, you check
yes,
it.
you check
It's
it.
very time
And the last time, it takes 15 to 20 minutes minimum. Yes. और the last में जो 1 और 2 आएंगे उसके बाद आपका saliva लेके then we check with your saliva कि उनका कितना portion देना है quantity.
Okay, so this calculation. That is the reason
Yes.
you took my saliva yesterday
yes,
in that.
yes,
Okay.
I took your saliva.
Okay. Let me explain it to you guys. What she says is this bracelet. Okay. This is 7 planets, 7 chakras. Okay. This is so from each chakra that different stone it is. Okay. So she's telling if you wear this, okay, your energy will not get damaged. Your chakras will not get damaged further. If you
And
wear
it
it
will
for
improve.
it will improve.
Day by day.
Day by day it will improve, and probably in a month or two, 10-20% it will improve.
Yes.
3-4 months, 30-40%. But she's telling because my condition is so bad, okay, she needs to give me that oil it is a different kind of oil, an aroma kind of thing, and maybe some secret mixture or whatever, okay? But it has to be tested on my saliva out of those 35 oils, okay? Which one will match for me?
Yes.
And then she has to prepare it, another preparation
Yes,
for
the
it.
second time. And I will take you a photo, picture, like head to toe.
Head to toe.
Yeah.
You need a physical print.
Yes.
Physical print
Yeah,
of it.
physical
Not
print.
WhatsApp
Because
कर दो।
my scanner doesn't work on mobile and
अच्छा, so
yeah.
WhatsApp का
Yeah.
ज़माना है लेकिन
हाँ.
नहीं चलता है
हाँ,
WhatsApp
hard
यहाँ
copy.
पे।
I need hard
copy.
Yes.
And then she'll prepare that oil and she'll
And
send.
every month I will send to you.
Okay.
Every month you will have to change. Then जो भी like which oil we prepare. Then you put the 3 drops on the hand and then just rub like this. And then smell.
Okay.
Inhale. Like 5 to 6 times.
Morning में कि evening?
Both. Morning, I think you need 3 times. Mostly we
मैं
frequent for
पागल हो
2
गया।
times
पागल हो गया।
because you need more.
हैं?
Yeah.
ठीक।
First week 2 time because थोड़ा strong होता है, maybe your body उसको वो कर पाएगा या नहीं कर पाए. उसके बाद आपको 3 time
अच्छा।
करना.
Okay.
उससे थोड़ा हो सकता है पहले 2-3 दिन में आपके मूड स्विंग्स हो. लाइक कभी लाइक फील करो कि रोना है या हंसना है या कुछ ऐसा भी 2-3 days. उसके बाद then
मैं क्या करता हूँ कभी-कभी ऐसे बोलना नहीं चाहिए लेकिन सच बोलता हूँ because डॉक्टर के साथ सच बोलना चाहिए. Many a times I sit alone and I cry.
नहीं, you will get very
Sometimes
good
for no
result.
reason.
When you will use that oil, you will get very good result.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ये oil का हो गया. So I'll get healed. Okay.
Yes.
I me myself selfish, but thanks Suman ji.
और वास्तु के लिए लाइक हमें आपके घर का विजिट करना पड़ेगा, हमें उन एरियाज को देखना पड़ेगा, वहाँ हमें रॉड्स लगानी पड़ेंगी, उनका फुल ट्रीटमेंट, क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी जब तक वहाँ पे ठीक नहीं होगा, इधर यू विल शिफ्ट द हाउस. अगर आप वहीं पे द सेम हाउस में अगर वहीं रह रहे हैं तो जितना वो ठीक होगा, हाँ ये है कि ज्यादा नहीं करेगा उसको, बट वो उसको बराबर करता रहेगा.
Now I'm going to shift the house hopefully in a month. I'm going to shift to my house, real house. You know,
Yes.
this is a rented house. So
हाँ, तो उसके लिए मैं आ जाऊंगी
Boss.
विजिट के लिए.
Yeah,
Yes.
but
Because you need this.
okay,
Yeah.
I need to do this.
Yeah.
So, they'll back recording. Okay. So that is what. But I want to show them. You know, before we wind up this, I want to show them a miracle that she did. Okay, yesterday, with my rings.
हाँ, yes.
Okay? Unfortunately, I'm not bringing that ring. मैं
नहीं,
वो
you
छोड़
will-
वो
हाँ,
छोड़ के आ गया मैं.
yes, you
लेकिन,
will feel
you know,
better.
She removed it and she did this because she's got in this machine.
Yeah, there
for
are the
different means which ring will suit you.
9 samples of 9 planets.
9 planets, okay, and you know
Yes.
normally हम लोग ऐसा देखेंगे कि for this lagna
Yeah.
this stone is not good, but in case this thing shows good.
Yes. And only we
So-
recommend only 1 stone, not 1 or maximum 2.
Okay.
Or which it shows 100% positive. We recommend only that
That's
one. हाँ, ये नहीं है कि कोई 50 हो रहा है या 60 हो रहा है, ये भी पहन ले, ये भी पहन ले, no.
नहीं.
Only 100%.
So which stone is good for me?
Remove this.
थोड़ा difficult है remove.
पहले इसी के साथ लगा दो, फिर उतार के लगा दो.
नहीं
ये सूट करता है कि नहीं करता?
नहीं नहीं,
So
वो
है?
ऐसा नहीं.
Paining badly है. ये निकलेगा नहीं, मुझे मालूम है.
अभी
बहुत-
नहीं आएगा?
नहीं आएगा, ये बहुत कड़क, क्योंकि मैं सुबह जब डाल रहा था
Okay.
तो मेरे को मालूम पड़ा कि ये
हाँ,
नहीं
tight हो
आएगा. हाँ, बहुत
तो ठीक है, फर्स्ट हम सन से करते हैं. Now I have put the sample of sun. I have put the sample of sun ruby
tight. Okay.
because you wear the ruby stone, so that's why it's not opening. It means कि अगर वो आपकी बॉडी को है तो वो उसकी पूरा कर रहा है उसका.
It is good.
Yes,
हाँ.
it is good. कि अगर उसमें कुछ डेफिसिट है, but now it is showing कि it is okay.
अच्छा.
Now we will take pearl.
Good.
No, doesn't require your body. Which will open, that will require
Okay.
coral, munga. No.
No, it doesn't.
Emerald,
Oh, mercury.
panna, yeah, mercury. only 40%.
40%.
And we don't recommend under 50%, under 100%.
Acha.
Only 40%. It means you don't require for this.
Okay. But if I wear a mercury stone, पन्ना,
Yes.
अगर मैं पहनूं,
हाँ.
तो खराब रिजल्ट देगा?
Yes, of course.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि जो आपको एक सूट कर रहा है वो सिर्फ 40% रिक्वायर है.
अच्छा.
तो
40% लेकिन रिक्वायरमेंट है ना, तो मैं अगर
नहीं.
पहनूं तो वो 40% को ठीक कर
हाँ,
लेगा.
फर्स्ट वी चेक द स्टोन ना, इफ अगर उसको देखा हमने चेक किया कि उसके बाद वो नहीं पॉजिटिव नहीं कर रहा, देन वी विल पुट हियर पॉजिटिव सैंपल. फर्स्ट वी विल चेक योर पॉजिटिविटी
Okay.
कि हाउ मच यू आर पॉजिटिव. सपोज यू आर 70% पॉजिटिव, then I will put the stone of mercury sample.
Okay.
Then you put the mercury ring, emerald. Then I will check the positivity. If it reduces,
Okay.
then it's not good for you.
Okay.
If it increases, then we will say कि it is
Yeah.
good for you.
So you're basically live
Yeah.
testing.
Yes, yes,
Live
yes.
testing. Okay.
क्योंकि मोस्टली क्या होता है कि लोग बोलते हैं हमने तो ये स्टोन पहना था, हमें तो इफेक्ट ही नहीं आया. तो हम देखते हैं कि वो स्टोन उनको पहनना ही नहीं था, या वो जो पहना है वो उतना उनके लिए ठीक नहीं है.
Okay.
तो जो हम रिकमेंड करते हैं ये पहना, तो उसके इमीडिएट बाद 1 वीक बाद दे गेट रिजल्ट.
Right.
यस, दिस इज येलो सिफर. नो,
No? लेकिन कल तो आया था ना ये सफर?
नहीं
आया था?
नहीं, मरकरी आया था.
अच्छा.
वही 40%, 40-50% तक मरकरी था.
Okay.
राइट. दिस इज वीनस. नो,
No. कोई अच्छा स्टोन मिल जाए.
दिस इज ब्लू सफायर. नो.
No. Now बचा राहु and केतु.
राहु एंड केतु.
Okay.
दिस इज फॉर राहु गोमेद.
Gomed?
नो.
No.
And this is Lasunia for Ketu. No. You only require ruby.
Ruby.
Now we will check your positivity whether it suits you or not.
Okay.
If it is 100% positive, then it is good for you.
Okay.
Look, more than 100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll wear it.
It increases your positivity.
Thumbs up.
Because you wear ruby, it increases your
सप्तऋषि
positivity.
का आशीर्वाद आपको, भगवान का आशीर्वाद. अभी कुछ अच्छा करके जाओगे
Okay.
लोगों के लिए.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you.
Yeah, no. We have to wear this and then you
Okay,
check.
okay.
Then you check whether.
You wear this like,
हाँ, ये मैं समझ गया.
because
This
this is the lowest one
lowest
chakra.
one,
Yeah.
lowest one. Okay, see now this is the miracle that I was talking about.
Now you put the bracelet.
Bracelet.
Now we will check the
Now,
chakras again.
now first you saw how bad my chakras were.
All-
now
all
on the
were
bracelet,
opening, yeah.
it's not even a minute and she start testing it.
Because like root chakra, it's okay now.
बढ़िया.
Sacral,
Okay.
yes.
Sacral, second step. I passed.
Now solar plexus,
Solar plexus.
it's okay.
Whoa! Third step. Okay. So it's bringing, see the energy, it's within a minute.
It's
Not
heart
even-
chakra,
चमत्कार है.
yes.
सब सही हो गया.
Now I got a heart. Now I got a heart.
Now you are 100%. This is throat chakra. Yes.
Okay.
Lunch हो गया मेरा? Lunch का हो गया?
लंग्स अभी रहा ना.
Lungs. Yes.
Getting positive.
Yes.
I'm becoming positive on my way to recovery.
But don't smoke too much.
cigarette कम करना.
Yeah.
Ground.
Now third eye.
वो तो पहले
Because-
ही था.
Okay.
Yeah, it was
Before.
good.
Ground हो गया.
Better now.
Now this is the crown.
Crown, final stage.
This is the main.
Okay.
Yes.
Woo!
Now you should wear this, and I will prepare the
Oil.
oil for you.
Okay.
And I will send every month to you. Then you will use, and you will get okay.
Thank
Feel
you,
okay.
Sumanji. Guys, some of you would not have heard of this science or whatever, don't have much experience, okay? Please understand, It is a scientific science.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I am learning from Sumanji. Okay, so if you want to contact Sumanji, Suman Kohli, okay, you can call her on which number?
Yeah, 98-184-80901.
Great. You can also go down in the comment section. I'll be putting her number, okay? And also in the description of the video, okay, you'll get her number, name and number, okay? And please understand, she's a professional.
This is
okay?
geo professional because there are many now in the market,
Huh.
but these are the main who invented
Oh,
this.
okay.
It is more than 15 years. It took more than 15 years. उन्होंने इसका जो है इन्वेंशन किया. अब काफी सारे आगे लाइक मनी पर्पस के लिए there are so many.
Well, but these are the
it is
first
a
ones.
Yeah, first one.
First one.
Yes.
So you learned it from the best.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you learned it from the original
Yeah,
guys.
original
Okay.
guy.
So you can please understand, she is a professional astrologer, professional Vastu consultant. Please don't call up and trouble her for this thing.
Because this is invented by Dr. Menon Murthy sir.
Acha. So you can contact her and you can always write your experience. Okay, no doubt Vastu Shastra is a costly affair. It is an expensive one. Okay, and it takes time to prepare the medicines and this and
Yes.
that. Okay, I'm wearing this. If you want this band, you can contact her. Thank you so much,
Okay,
Sumanji.
thank you. Thank you.